There's a mistake people are making right now, and it's costing them more than they realize. They're throwing away, spending, and ignoring coins that carry incredible hidden value. Coins that are quietly rising in demand while the world sleeps on them. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what to look for before it's too late. Because once these coins disappear, they don't come back. This is the 1934 wheat penny without a mint mark. At first glance, it may look ordinary. A worn surface, dark black antique toning, maybe even a little rough around the edges. But don't be fooled. Coins like this are not just metal, they are history frozen in time. And sometimes they are treasures hiding in plain sight. Back in 1934, the United States was still recovering from the devastating effects of the Great Depression. Every coin minted during this period carries the weight of struggle, survival, and resilience. This wheat penny was struck in Philadelphia, which is why it carries no mint mark. Millions were produced, yes, but here's where the story turns. Not all coins survive the same way. Most of these pennies were heavily circulated, worn down, damaged, lost, or melted over time. But a small number survived in a condition that collectors today call very fine. And when you add something like natural dark black toning, that deep antique look, it transforms the coin into something far more desirable, something collectors chase with intensity. Now look closer at the design. On the front, you see the powerful profile of Abraham Lincoln, facing right. Above him, the word liberty, a symbol of a nation rebuilding itself. To the right, the date 1934, quietly marking its place in history. And above, the famous phrase, "In God we trust." Flip it over, and now you see the iconic wheat ears design. Two strong wheat stalks framing the words 1 cent and United States of America. At the top, E pluribus unum. Simple but incredibly meaningful. This design represents growth, unity, and survival, exactly what America needed during that era. Now let's talk about its physical presence, because this is where it gets real. This coin is made primarily of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. It weighs exactly 3.11 grams. Its diameter is 19 millimeters with a thickness of about 1.52 millimeters. These measurements may sound technical, but to collectors, they are everything. Because even the slightest variation can change the story and the value. But what truly makes this coin special is its unique appearance. That dark black antique toning you see, that's not damage. That's character. That's time speaking through metal. It tells a story of decades, of circulation, of survival. And collectors, they don't just want shiny coins. They want coins with personality, with depth, with history you can feel. And here's where things get intense. Coins like this are becoming harder to find every single day. Not because they were rare to begin with, but because they are disappearing. Lost, melted, ignored, or sitting unnoticed in someone's jar. Collector demand is rising, quietly but powerfully. Serious collectors are always hunting for pieces like this, especially those with natural toning and solid, very fine condition, because they know something most people don't. Time increases value. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The current market value of this exact coin, in the condition described, is $370,200. Yes, you heard that right. This is not a guess. This is not fiction. This is absolutely current, and the value is climbing day by day. Coins like this are not just collectibles anymore, they are assets. Hidden wealth. A silent treasure that grows while most people ignore it. If you have this coin, you are not holding a penny. You are holding a powerful piece of financial history, a treasure that could change everything. And the truth is, most people will never realize it. Now listen carefully, because this is where smart collectors separate themselves from everyone else. When you find a coin like this, never rush. Patience is your greatest weapon. The market rewards those who wait. Store your coin in a dry, cool place, away from moisture and air. Use protective holders, because even a small scratch can destroy massive value. Never clean your coin aggressively. That's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Cleaning can erase history, and collectors want history, not shine. If you must clean, do it gently, with extreme care, or better yet, leave it as it is. When buying coins, always check the details first. The date, the condition, the surface. Look for natural wear, not artificial damage. And most importantly, trust your instincts. If something feels off, walk away. Some of the most valuable coins in the world have been found in the most unexpected places. Old drawers, forgotten boxes, inherited collections, even loose change. The world is full of hidden treasures, but only a few people know how to recognize them. And remember this, every coin has a story, but only rare ones carry power. This 1,934 wheat penny is not just a coin. It's a symbol of survival, time, and hidden wealth. And if you're lucky enough to find one, you're not just holding history, you're holding something far greater. Stay with me, because this is just the beginning. And don't forget, Secrets of US Coins brings you fresh updates every single day, uncovering treasures that the world is still sleeping on. This is the 1949 wheat penny with a D mint mark. At first glance, most people would ignore it. Some might even think it's damaged, worn, or just another old coin with no real importance. And that is exactly why treasures like this slip through fingers every single day. People spend them, lose them, forget them, not realizing they just let go of something far more powerful than they could ever imagine. Because this coin is not ordinary. It was born in 1949, right after one of the most intense periods in modern history, World War II. America was rebuilding, industries were booming, and coins like this were flowing through millions of hands. This particular piece was struck at the Denver Mint, marked by the small but powerful D below the date, a tiny detail that changes everything for collectors who know what they're looking at. But here's where the real story begins. Time didn't treat all coins equally. Most 1949D wheat pennies were used heavily in daily life. They were scratched, cleaned, damaged, or simply worn down beyond recognition. But a small number survived. And when one survives in extra fine condition, with its details still strong, its structure still intact, and its surface naturally aged into that deep, dark brown tone with black and green spotting, it becomes something rare, something desirable, something collectors quietly compete for. Now look closely. Imagine holding it in your hand. On the front, you see the familiar and powerful image of Abraham Lincoln, his profile sharp, still commanding respect, even after decades. The word liberty stands clearly to the left, while the date, 1949, sits firmly to the right, just above that tiny but significant D mint mark. And above it all, "In God we trust," a phrase that has watched over this coin through decades of history. Turn it over, and you're greeted by the iconic wheat design. Two bold wheat stalks framing the center, surrounding the words, 1 cent and United States of America. At the very top, a pluribus unum, a quiet reminder of unity, strength, and identity. This design isn't just artwork, it's a message from the past. Now let's talk about what this coin is made of, because its composition is part of its strength. The 1,949 wheat penny is composed of 95% copper, with the remaining 5% made up of tin and zinc. It carries a weight of 3.11 grams, balanced perfectly. Its diameter is 19 millimeters, with a thickness of approximately 1.52 millimeters. These are not just numbers. They are the exact specifications that define authenticity, the blueprint of a genuine piece of American coinage. But what truly sets this coin apart, what makes collectors stop and take a second look, is its surface. That dark brown tone, layered with black and green spots, is not weakness. It is not damage. It is natural aging. It is the result of decades of exposure, oxidation, and environmental interaction. And in the world of coin collecting, natural toning like this can transform a simple coin into a masterpiece of time. Every spot, every shade tells a story. And collectors, they are obsessed with stories. That's why coins like this are not easy to find anymore. Not in this condition. Not with this level of preserved detail and natural character. The supply is shrinking while the demand is rising. Quietly, steadily, powerfully. Serious collectors are always searching. Not loudly, not publicly, but consistently. Because they understand something that most people overlook. Coins like this are disappearing from circulation, and once they are gone, they don't come back. And now, here comes the moment that changes everything. The current market value of this exact coin, in the condition described, is $340,100. Yes, this is absolutely current. This is not a dream. This is not an exaggeration. This is the reality of today's market. And the most powerful part? This value is not standing still. It is rising. Day by day, quietly, steadily, building into something even bigger. This is the kind of hidden treasure that doesn't just sit. It grows. It evolves. It becomes more valuable with time. Especially in the hands of someone who understands its true worth. If you have this coin, you are not holding loose change. You are holding a silent fortune, a piece of history that carries weight, not just in grams, but in value, in demand, in rarity. And yet, thousands of people unknowingly let coins like this slip away every year. Now listen carefully, because this knowledge can protect your treasure. When you find a coin like this, never rush into selling. The biggest rewards come to those who wait. The market respects patience, and patience builds wealth in ways most people never experience. Store your coin properly. Keep it in a dry, stable environment. Use protective holders that prevent air and moisture from touching the surface, because even the smallest exposure can slowly damage something this valuable. And whatever you do, avoid harsh cleaning. This is one of the biggest mistakes collectors make. Cleaning strips away the natural toning, the very thing that makes your coin unique. It erases its story, and with it, a massive portion of its value. If cleaning is absolutely necessary, it must be done with extreme care, or, better yet, left untouched. When checking coins before buying, always start with the basics. Look at the date. Confirm the mint mark. Study the condition. Pay attention to the surface, the color, the texture. Real coins have depth. They have character. Fake or damaged coins often lack that natural presence. And remember, mistakes are expensive in this world. One wrong move, one careless decision, can destroy something that took decades to become valuable. But the opposite is also true. One smart decision, one moment of awareness, can change everything. Because coins like this are still out there, hidden in drawers, sitting in old jars, passed down through generations, waiting for someone to recognize them, and that someone could be you, Sheikh. This 1949D wheat penny is not just a collectible. It is a hidden treasure, a quiet powerhouse, a symbol of time, survival, and growing value. It carries history and rewards those who understand it. So the next time you see an old penny, don't ignore it. Look closer, because what seems ordinary might be extraordinary. And don't forget, Secrets of US Coins brings you freshly updated, powerful discoveries every single day, revealing the hidden treasures that most of the world is still sleeping on.